Another good practice is to make use of parallel lines. Draw two vertical lines about 2 inches across from each other. Then fill the space between the vertical lines with perpendicular lines. Try to keep an equal spacing between these lines. Then draw a horizontal line and draw parallel lines as close to the original line as possible. Slowly space each line further from the other until the spacing between them is quite large. Then reduce the spacing until the parallel lines almost touch one another. Next, draw 2 vertical lines again and make a few dots on each line. Connect these dots at random. You can also try this. Draw a straight line at a random angle. Then draw another, trying to intersect the middle of the line. Keep on repeating this process until you cannot fit any more lines.